Are you tired of complicated and ineffective diets? In this video, we will reveal powerful strategies for beginners in the 16-8 fasting method, showing how you can lose weight, boost your metabolism, and increase mental clarity in a practical and natural way. Imagine achieving your health goals without starving or giving up the foods you love. Stay with me until the end and discover how 16-8 fasting can be the key to transforming your life, bringing real and lasting results. Understanding 16-8 fasting. 16-8 fasting is a form of intermittent fasting where you eat during an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours of the day. This practice is based on the idea that the body needs a period without calorie intake to optimize metabolic functions, promote fat burning, and improve overall health. During the fasting window, you can consume zero-calorie liquids like water, tea, and black coffee. 16-8 fasting is considered one of the simplest and most sustainable forms of intermittent fasting, easily adaptable to your lifestyle, allowing you to choose the eating window that best fits your daily routine. 16-8 fasting offers a range of benefits that can transform your health and well-being. Firstly, it is highly effective for weight loss, as reducing the eating window naturally leads to consuming fewer calories and stimulating the burning of stored body fat. Additionally, fasting improves insulin sensitivity, helping regulate blood sugar levels and preventing the development of type 2 diabetes. Another important benefit is improved brain function. Fasting periods stimulate the production of proteins that promote neuron health, enhancing memory and mental clarity. Fasting also helps reduce inflammation and promote longevity, with studies showing that it can activate cellular repair and renewal processes. With these benefits, 16-8 fasting not only helps achieve a healthy weight, but also improves metabolic health and cognitive function, providing a better overall quality of life. 16-8 fasting is supported by various scientific studies highlighting its positive effects on health. Research shows that this form of intermittent fasting can increase basal metabolic rate, helping the body burn calories more efficiently. Calorie restriction for specific periods has also been shown to reduce insulin levels and increase growth hormone levels, both crucial for fat burning and muscle building. Moreover, studies indicate that intermittent fasting can reduce inflammatory markers and improve cholesterol levels, contributing to cardiovascular health. Some animal studies also suggest that fasting can increase longevity by activating cellular repair and renewal processes, such as autophagy. These scientific findings reinforce the effectiveness and safety of 16-8 fasting, making it a viable and healthy approach for weight loss and overall health improvement.
For more information on diets and how they can help you lose weight, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to learn about the top 50 best diets for weight loss, a complete guide to achieve the body you've always desired.
Getting started with 16-8 fasting. Choosing the right fasting window is essential for success with 16-8 fasting. This 8-hour window should be adapted to your lifestyle and personal preferences to ensure it is sustainable in the long term. Here are some practical tips to help you determine the best eating window for you. Consider your work schedule and daily routine. If you have a fixed work schedule, choose a window that fits your usual meal times. For example, if you work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., an eating window from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. might be convenient, allowing you to have lunch and dinner at regular times. Experiment with different windows. Don't be afraid to try different schedules to find what best fits your body and routine. Some people prefer an earlier eating window, such as 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., while others might benefit from a later window, like 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Be flexible on weekends. Allow yourself to adjust the eating window on weekends to accommodate social events or meals at different times. Flexibility can help keep fasting sustainable and less restrictive. Consider your physical activity level. If you exercise regularly, you might want to adjust your eating window to ensure you have enough energy for your workouts. For example, if you typically work out in the morning, an eating window from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. might ensure you can eat soon after your workout to aid recovery. Popular eating window examples: 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., popular for aligning with typical lunch and dinner times. 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., ideal for those who prefer eating earlier in the day. 2 p.m. to 10 p.m., good for those with evening commitments or who prefer later meals. What to eat. Choosing the right foods during the eating window is crucial to maximize the benefits of 16-8 fasting. Here are some practical and detailed tips on what to eat to ensure you get all the necessary nutrients while keeping the fast effective. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods. Lean proteins include protein sources like chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, tofu, and legumes. Proteins help build and repair muscle and promote satiety. Healthy fats. Consume healthy fats from avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon and sardines. These fats are essential for brain health and help keep you feeling full. Complex carbohydrates. Choose slow-releasing carbs like quinoa, brown rice, sweet potatoes, oats, and vegetables. They provide sustained energy and prevent blood sugar spikes. Include plenty of fiber. Vegetables. Fill your plate with a variety of vegetables, especially leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and bell peppers. Vegetables are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fruits. Eat fruits in moderation, focusing on low-calorie, low-glycemic options like berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and apples.
If these tips were helpful, click like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything.
Avoid processed foods. Minimize sugar and refined flour. Avoid foods high in added sugars like sodas, sweets, cakes, and cookies, as well as refined white flours. These foods can cause rapid energy spikes and crashes. Fast food and processed foods. Limit consumption of fast food, snacks, and processed foods that are high in empty calories, sodium, and trans fats. Sample daily eating plan. Lunch, start eating window at 12 p.m. Salad with leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, avocado, grilled chicken breast, and olive oil. Afternoon snack, around 4 p.m. Natural yogurt with a handful of nuts and berries. Dinner, end eating window at 8 p.m. Baked salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli. What to avoid. To get the best results from 16/8 fasting, it's essential to know not only what to eat, but also what to avoid. Avoiding certain foods and habits can maximize the benefits of fasting and help maintain a healthy lifestyle. Here are some practical and detailed tips on what to avoid. Processed and ultra-processed foods. Avoid fast food. Fast food is high in empty calories, trans fats, sodium, and added sugars, which can sabotage your fasting and health efforts. Packaged and processed foods. Products like chips, cookies, and frozen meals often contain additives, preservatives, and low-quality ingredients that can be harmful to your health. Refined sugars. Avoid sugary drinks. Sodas, store-bought juices, and energy drinks are loaded with refined sugars that can cause insulin spikes and excessive hunger. Sweets and pastries, cakes, cookies, candies, and desserts are concentrated sources of sugar and calories that offer little nutritional value and can hinder weight control. Refined flours, white bread, and pasta. Foods made with white flour have a high glycemic index and can cause rapid increases in blood sugar levels, followed by abrupt drops, leading to hunger. Breakfast cereals. Many breakfast cereals are high in sugar and made with refined grains, making them less healthy options. Trans and saturated fats. Margarine and hydrogenated fats. Avoid foods containing trans fats, found in many margarines and industrial baked goods, as they increase the risk of heart disease. Processed meats. Products like sausages, bacon, and salami are high in saturated fats and sodium, which can be detrimental to cardiovascular health. High sodium foods. Salty snacks. Potato chips, pretzels, and other salty snacks contain high levels of sodium, which can lead to fluid retention and increase blood pressure. Frozen and canned meals. Many ready-to-eat and canned foods are high in sodium as a preservative, which can negatively impact health. Alcoholic beverages. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption can interfere with the fat-burning process, contain empty calories, and negatively affect sleep and muscle recovery. Hydration tips. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for the success of 16/8 fasting. Hydration not only helps control hunger, but is also vital for numerous bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Here are some practical and detailed tips to ensure you stay well hydrated during fasting. Drink water regularly. Daily amount. The amount of water needed varies from person to person, but a good rule is to drink at least 2 liters or 8 cups of water per day. Adjust this amount as needed, especially if you are physically active or living in a hot climate. Spread throughout the day. Instead of drinking large amounts at once, spread your water intake throughout the day. Keep a water bottle handy to make access easier, and remember to take small sips frequently. Consume calorie-free drinks during fasting. Sparkling water. Sparkling water is an excellent option to vary your fluid intake and can help control hunger due to its satiating effect. Herbal teas. Unsweetened herbal teas, such as chamomile, mint, and ginger, are tasty, calorie-free options that can be consumed during fasting. Black coffee. Black coffee is allowed during fasting as it contains no calories. It can also help boost metabolism and improve mental focus. However, avoid adding sugar or cream. Avoid sweetened and alcoholic beverages, sodas, and store-bought juices. These drinks are high in sugars and calories, which can break the fast and increase hunger. Alcohol. Alcoholic beverages are not recommended during fasting as they can dehydrate you and disrupt metabolism. Extra hydration with foods. Water-rich fruits and vegetables. During the eating window, include water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumber, oranges, and strawberries. They help increase fluid intake and provide additional nutrients. Broths and soups. Broth-based soups are great options for hydrating and nutritious meals. Avoid creamy and high-calorie soups.
To learn more about diets, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to access the top 50 best diets for weight loss, a complete guide to lose weight quickly.
Powerful strategies for success. To start the 16-8 fasting effectively and sustainably, it is important to adopt a gradual approach. Begin with a shorter fasting window, such as 12 hours of fasting and 12 hours of eating. This helps your body get used to the periods without food. After a few weeks, increase to 14-10 and finally to 16-8, adjusting the eating window as necessary to better fit your daily routine and social commitments. Planning nutritious meals during the eating window is crucial. Focus on including lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in your meals to ensure satiety and sustained energy. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, along with herbal teas and unsweetened black coffee during the fasting period. These habits help control hunger and provide the necessary nutrients to maintain health. Listening to your body is essential during this transition. Pay attention to signs of hunger and fullness, and adjust your approach as needed. If you feel discomfort or weakness, consider gradually increasing the fasting period or altering the types of foods consumed. By adopting a flexible and gradual approach, you can ease into the 16-8 fasting, making it a sustainable and effective part of your daily routine. Meal planning. Planning your meals during the eating window is essential to ensure you get the necessary nutrients and avoid the temptation of unhealthy foods. Start by creating a weekly menu and make a shopping list based on it. This saves time and ensures you have all the ingredients on hand. Include a variety of protein-rich foods, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to keep you satiated and provide sustained energy. Prepare healthy snacks like natural yogurt with fruits, carrots with hummus, or a handful of nuts. Eating slowly and practicing mindful eating also helps prevent overeating. Consider meal prepping, like cooking in batches and storing individual portions to make healthy eating easier throughout the week. Varying your meals and trying new recipes keeps eating interesting and enjoyable. After exercising, consume meals rich in protein and carbohydrates to aid muscle recovery. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and help control hunger. By following these strategies, you can ensure that your food choices during the eating window are nutritious and sustainable, supporting your health and fasting goals effectively. Exercise and fasting. Integrating physical exercise into the 16-8 fasting can optimize weight loss and muscle gain results. Choose the type of exercise that suits your energy level during the fast. Strength training is effective for preserving and building muscle mass and can be performed during the eating window or right before breaking the fast. Moderate cardiovascular activities like walking or light jogging are ideal for fasting, but it's important not to overdo it. Sync your workouts with the eating window to ensure adequate energy and recovery. Have a light meal rich in carbohydrates and protein before training if possible, and consume a protein and carbohydrate-rich meal after the workout to aid muscle recovery. Stay hydrated before, during, and after exercise by drinking water regularly and, if necessary, including sugar-free electrolyte drinks. Listen to your body and adjust the intensity and type of exercise as needed. If you feel weak or uncomfortable, consider altering your approach to fasting or training. Additional benefits of exercising while fasting include increased fat burning and improved insulin sensitivity. By following these strategies, you can combine exercise and fasting in a balanced and effective way, maximizing the benefits for your health and physical performance. Common challenges and solutions. Managing social situations during the 16-8 fast can be challenging, but with planning and flexibility, you can maintain your goals. Before social events, adjust your eating window to coincide with the event's timing. For example, if you normally fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. but have a dinner at 7 p.m., adjust your window to 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. that day. Bringing healthy snacks with you can also help avoid the temptation to eat foods that don't align with your goals. Communicate clearly with friends and family about your fasting. Explain your dietary choices simply and politely. Many will be understanding and supportive. When dining out or attending events, opt for dishes rich in protein, vegetables, and healthy fats, and avoid fried foods, sugary desserts, and excessive alcohol. Asking for menu substitutions, such as swapping fries for a salad, can also help maintain your diet. Be flexible on weekends or special events, adjusting your eating window as needed. Stay hydrated with water or unsweetened herbal teas during events, and avoid sugary drinks. Control portions and practice mindful eating, eating slowly and without distractions, to help avoid overeating. These strategies allow you to participate in social events without compromising your 16/8 fasting goals, making the process more sustainable and enjoyable.
Do you have a plan to lose weight? Share it with us in the comments.
Common questions about 16/8 fasting. 1. What is 16/8 fasting? Answer: 16/8 fasting is a type of intermittent fasting where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window. During the fasting period, only calorie-free liquids like water, herbal tea, and black coffee are allowed. Can I drink water during the fast? Answer: yes. It is essential to stay hydrated during the fast. Water, unsweetened herbal tea, and black coffee are allowed and can help control hunger. 3. Is 16/8 fasting safe? Answer: for most people, 16/8 fasting is safe. However, it is important to consult a doctor before starting any fasting regimen, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. Can I exercise while fasting? Answer: yes, you can exercise while fasting. Many people engage in light to moderate activities such as walking or yoga during the fasting period. High-intensity exercises are often performed during the eating window to ensure adequate energy and recovery. What should I eat during the eating window? Answer: during the eating window, focus on nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, fruits, and vegetables. Avoid processed foods, refined sugars, and trans fats. Can 16/8 fasting help with weight loss? Answer: yes. 16/8 fasting can aid in weight loss by reducing calorie intake and improving insulin sensitivity, promoting fat burning. However, its effectiveness depends on maintaining a balanced diet and an appropriate calorie deficit. I feel very hungry during the fast. What can I do? Answer: feeling hungry initially is common. To manage hunger, drink plenty of water, consume calorie-free beverages like herbal tea and black coffee, and include high-fiber and protein-rich foods during the eating window. Hunger tends to decrease as your body adapts to fasting. Can I fast every day? Answer: yes. Many people fast 16/8 daily. However, it is important to listen to your body and allow flexibility when needed. If you experience fatigue or other negative symptoms, consider adjusting the frequency or duration of the fast. Is 16/8 fasting suitable for all ages? Answer: 16/8 fasting may not be suitable for children, teenagers, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and the elderly without medical supervision. Consult a healthcare professional before starting fasting in any of these circumstances. Can 16/8 fasting improve mental health? Answer: some people report improvements in mental clarity and concentration during fasting. Intermittent fasting can positively influence energy levels and cognitive function, but effects may vary among individuals. 16/8 fasting is a powerful and effective approach to achieving your health, weight loss, and overall well-being goals. By starting slowly and gradually adjusting the fasting window, you can ease your body's adaptation and establish a sustainable routine. Planning nutritious meals and managing hunger with fiber-rich, protein, and healthy fat foods are crucial strategies for success. Integrating appropriate exercise into your fasting routine and staying hydrated also optimize the benefits of this practice.
Below in the description and at the end screen, there's a playlist with multiple videos where I talk about diets and powerful weight loss techniques. Check it out.
Overcoming challenges like social situations and weight loss plateaus requires planning and flexibility. Adjusting the eating window for social events, clearly communicating your choices, and adopting strategies to vary your exercise routine can help maintain your progress. Monitoring your progress and adjusting your goals as needed ensures continuous advancement toward your objectives while staying motivated and committed to your intermittent fasting journey. Remember, consistency and patience are key to success with 16/8 fasting. By implementing the strategies discussed in this video, you can transform your health and achieve lasting results. Stay motivated, seek support when needed, and celebrate each milestone along the way. Keep learning and adjusting your plan to find what works best for you, ensuring a healthy and balanced journey.